Hello and welcome to Outlook this week. First of all, apologies. You must have got the magazine a little late this week because because of the election dates we had to wait delayed by a day. So apologies if you've got the magazine a little late, but for that wait you'll be suitably rewarded. It's a back-to-back cover, back-to-back issue on the all you wanted to ever know about the elections, and of course the headline which has been going around in social media a little bit. It's you might have guessed what this is about.
Yes.
Why we are calling Mr. Modi this. It's a take from the Time cover that happened a couple of weeks ago. So Bhavna, would you like to tell us? This is, as we were saying, it's a kind of a carpet coverage of the election. How did you plan this? The kind of the resources you needed. The planning that had to happen. If you could just tell a little bit about the whole cover story.
Yeah. In fact, we started planning almost 2 months in advance because we knew that it's a Thursday and generally we close on Wednesdays. So this had to be closed on a Thursday and we had very little time. Anyway, we were delaying it. So we had to plan everything in advance and we didn't know what the results were going to be. So we were like planning with all kind of options. What if
various scenarios?
Yes. What if BJP gets the full majority? If it does not get a full majority? If it's a fractured mandate? So we were trying to take everything in account and we were alerting all our state correspondents and everything. So in the end, actually it didn't really need that much hard work because BJP made sure that they got the majority and we didn't really have to work on the other scenarios.
That's true. I mean, it was quite evident, by almost early morning by 9:30, 10 as to which way the election was going. Though even then, I know our copy desk was here all night that night to bring out the issue the next morning because there is a lot of designing and so many other things involved in bringing out
the graphics and all, and also that we must mention that we did not have a outside agency to help us.
That's true.
Because most organizations take help from an outside agency to help them with their graphics and data and everything. So everything was done in-house. And our in-house data guy.
It's all the number crunching is from our own research team. And so we have gone. It's apart from the big story. I mean, this historic moment of Mr. Modi coming back with such a majority, and then we've gone state by state, actually region by region. Where with like northeast, southwest, and within which the states are there, and we have taken care not to just pick the most critical points. That is because there's such a flood of information right now about it. So that is a lot of what we had to leave out is as important as actually what we've carried.
Yeah, what we left out, you must have read it in the papers and heard it on TV ad nauseam. But this at least we gave you, we tried to give you something which you will not probably see in the newspapers and all.
That's right. That was the aim actually. So that is what the planning she's talking about. We were thinking what would hold true on a Monday, on a Tuesday. The election results are known on a Thursday. So I hope we have come up trumps and you would like the issue. And if you would like to say a little bit more about now, there's exciting times ahead. The government formation is in a day or two. Mr. Modi will be taking his oath and a new cabinet is going to come. So if you would just give a little indication of what to expect in the next issues.
Yeah, lots of speculation is happening about the cabinet formation and everything. So I think we can expect some new faces in the government. Probably there will be representation from northeast, from the south, and west anyway is well represented. Even the heartland is well represented. But I think you're going to see some more people from the northeast, from West Bengal, and from south. The Tamil Nadu, there's only one MP which for BJP, and I think you may just find him in the government as MOS or something. And about speculation whether Mr. Amit Shah will join the government or not, I think it's very difficult to say. But I have a hunch that he may not join the government immediately because he's far more important for the organization than for the government.
Pretty much the cabinet, the main, the big cabinet post would more or less be the left as it is. Do you think there may be some few changes there too?
More or less, people may remain the same, but they may shift the portfolios or something. And so you'll have to include some people, like some who are MOSs, they may be upgraded, and some who have been given slightly less important ministries, you may find them in a bigger role in the government. So I think that is what you can expect.
Okay. So then, so this issue is, of course, I mean, it's all about the elections. It's from top to bottom. It's only that. We'll soon be back with our regular issues, you know, with future stories, and you know, from next week onwards. But this is a collector's item. It's got all the, you know, the figures, you know, the data, the stories, and it would be useful to keep for a long time too.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.